Hi, everybody, it's Adam.
And me, Pepe the pig. Hello, everybody.
Hello, and guess what? Today, we're talking about food.
I love food.
I know, and I love food too, because today is the perfect day to teach you, with food, about the words all and some.
All and some.
So let me look on the core board. So above my two fingers are all and some. So we're going to be focusing on that today, so you know the difference between all of something and some of something.
Well, let's play with food.
All right, the first thing we have is something red and a fruit and delicious. Do you know what it is?
An apple.
You got it. It's an apple. And so this apple, does it look like it's all or some?
You haven't eaten any yet, so I'm going to say all.
You are right. This is all of an apple. Now, look what happens with the second apple that I have.
Hey, something is missing.
You're right. I took a few bites. So, is this all of the apple or just some?
It's only some.
You're right. There is some of it missing. It is not all there. So now you know the difference.
Okay, I can play this game. Try again.
All right, here's our other item. This is a delicious bag of what?
Is it crunchy?
Yep.
Is it salty?
Yep.
Chips.
You got it. This is a bag of chips. And guess what? It has not been opened yet. So, do you think there are all of the chips in here or some?
It's full?
Yep, it's full.
Then all.
You are right. All of the chips are in this bag. Nice work. I'll set that there. You are so smart. And I also had something else for my lunch today. It is a sandwich. It's just a turkey sandwich, but it's what I wanted today.
Hey, there's some bites missing.
You noticed that. So if there are some bites missing, is it all of the sandwich or some?
Some.
You got it. I can't fool you. Some of the sandwich is here, and some has been eaten in my tummy.
That sounds good.
And this last one is one of my favorites. These are Reese's peanut butter trees.
What? Chocolate
Uh-huh.
and peanut butter?
Uh-huh. It's a delicious combo. So guess what? Hold on. Let me show you what's in here. This is one of the chocolate treats that I love.
I think I would like it too.
I know. Do you think this is all of the treat or some?
Let me look. There's nothing missing.
You're right. Nothing is missing. So is it all or some?
All.
You got it. And guess what? You can have all of this treat.
I can?
Yes, you can. Everyone should have chocolate and peanut butter sometime in their life. It's awesome. He's going to eat that, and I'm going to let you have a great day. Thanks for learning about all or some. Bye.